In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with Manus AI. First, open Manus AI and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in so your work saves as you go and you have access to all the features you need. Once you're in, start a new website building task. You'll typically see an option to create a new project or task. Choose the website option so Manus knows you're building for the web and can tailor the output accordingly. Next, enter a clear prompt asking Manus AI to create a WordPress website. Be direct about the platform so it plans with WordPress in mind. For example, you might say, create a WordPress website for a small fitness studio. Then describe the pages, style, and content you want on the site. This is where the detail really pays off. List the pages you need, like home, about, services, pricing, blog, and contact. Describe your brand voice, professional, friendly, playful, or authoritative, and note any key messages you want highlighted. Mention colors, fonts, and layout preferences such as a bold hero section, clean navigation, and clear calls to action. If you have audience specifics or search terms you care about, include those so the copy and structure align with your goals. Now let Manus AI generate the website plan or draft. It will typically produce a sitemap, page outlines, and initial copy, sometimes even suggested sections or component layouts. Give it a moment to process. When the plan appears, review the structure and ask for changes if needed. Read through page by page and check whether the flow makes sense for visitors. If something feels off, be precise with your feedback. Ask to tighten headlines, simplify navigation, adjust tone, or add FAQs. You can request more compelling calls to action, a shorter hero section, or a clearer services comparison. Iterate until the structure and content match your vision. When you're happy with the plan or draft, export, publish, or continue refining the WordPress website. Depending on your setup, you may export assets, copy, or block-friendly content for WordPress, or use a publish option if available. Always preview before going live to confirm formatting and responsiveness. If you're not ready to publish, keep refining your prompts and content, saving versions as you go so you can compare changes and maintain a clean revision history. And that's the process. From opening Manus AI to shaping, reviewing, and getting your WordPress site ready to go live. Follow these steps, and you'll move from idea to a polished, platform-ready website with confidence.